welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this double wearable breast pump that I got. It comes with two. It's got 3 modes, 9 levels, adjustable, hands-free, and it's auto shut off after 30 minutes, so it's really cool. So this is it. I have one on already just to show you, and it's super simple. As you can see, like, you barely can notice that it's there. You can do anything you want. You can do chores, anything around the house, and simple. You just turn it on and you see the screen right here. So you see, and it's super quiet. So as you can see, it's on and it's really quiet. And you can change the modes on here. You simply turn it on and then you change the modes 1, 2, 3, and then the levels as well. You can go up to 9 level on all of them. So this is the second one. It comes with extra flanges, extra pieces if you need. It comes with different size breast nipple shield, so you can add, depending on the size that you need, you just add it on the inside as well. Let me show you on this one. And hold on. So that's a cover, so it's nice. You can cover it when not in use. And then this is the different sizes. You just put it right in there and it makes it smaller, so it's really good for your nipples. Doesn't hurt as well. And then it also comes with the chargers and extra bra straps if you and then it also comes, oh, your bottle, mommy's gonna give you milk. Oh no. And then it comes with some storage bags also. So really great product. As you can see, hands-free. You could do everything with your baby, and it works, and you can express the milk easily, and you can easily take it in and out. As you can see, it holds a lot of milk, so it's perfect. And it's simple. Once it's done, you can either put it in the storage bags or you can give it to your baby right away. So really simple. So you can easily pour it into a bottle. You just simply tip it over and it pours your breast milk into the bottle. Or you can put it in storage bags as well, but it's really cool. So it works amazing, as you could see, really silent. And there you go. So then you can wash all the pieces, take everything out and rinse it, and it's perfect and ready to go. Here you go. Oh, yummy. So he loves it. This is great. You can, be at home with your baby, expressing milk, or be at work. So it's really great for on the go, or like I said, to be at home. And strong suction, it works amazing, as you can see. And it's, I highly recommend it. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.